The Cup car, as you know it, is undergoing transformative treatment as we begin the journey from Racecar to Roadcar. This high-performance beast has left its mark on the racing world, but we're about to embark on a new journey with it. Welcome to our new series, From Racecar to Roadcar. We're stripping away the race-ready exterior to reveal the chassis beneath. The team is hard at work disassembling every component that make this car a track legend from last season. We're not just turning a page, we're rewriting the entire story. Our vision is to seamlessly blend the raw power of a race car with the practicality of a road legal vehicle. It's not just a conversion, it's a visualisation that shows you just how versatile our cars are. Stay tuned as we meticulously craft each element, turning a racing legend into a road-ready masterpiece. From Racecar to Roadcar, because every story deserves a new chapter.
Right guys, here we are. It's, as it says on the sticker on the tin, so they say, it's Cup 200 time. Yes, this is a Cup 200 car. This was the car that we ran in the championship last year with, well, lots of silverware with it, with Ben Britton and Matthew Booth driving the car for us. Done a fantastic job. And what you're probably thinking, why does it look like this? Well, it's because we've stripped it. We're going to do a bit of a winter refresh on this. So the guys have tore into it. This is probably just not quite a full day's work actually to strip it. It comes apart so quickly. Got all of the panels and parts over here ready, already off the car. So what we're going to be doing with it, well, our intention is to make it road legal, really, unless somebody really comes to us today and says, I want a Cup car and I need one now and I want to race it and I'm not worried about road legal, and you want to get yourself bumped up in the build queue, then this one will be available because we're cracking on with it now. If not, we're going to make it road legal anyway. So stripping down to the bones is just good to see under here, really, I suppose, what goes on. And we have even moved on since the time of this is Cup car number 2, where all the battery, ECUs, everything under here, the steering columns, it's all nice and neat and tidy under the bulkhead. Then we've got a couple of bits going on because we're experimenting with different throttle bodies here, and that's the reason it's taken apart. But we're going to take it apart, full check over, full strip down, repowder coat what we need to do all of that. The back end's out. We're actually going to put, because this had the early version of the fuel tank in, we're going to put the newer version of the fuel tank in. Also had the early version of the A-arms, and so they're going to get replaced as well, so all the wishbones. We've had a couple of changes on the rear uprights as well and the bearing carriers, so we're going to put the new versions on. There's the existing version there. So we had some changes, some updates that we was doing. We're always looking to modify and make improvements where we can on products. The early ones, these had a bonded bush in there. Nothing wrong with them, but we've made it a more serviceable product with a non-pressing bush, one that we can actually fix at the track side. Just makes life a lot easier for you. So we'll do that, and obviously it's going to have things making it ready for IVA compatible. So the dashboard will change. Because these don't comply with spacings and everything else that we need. It's got to have a new harness put in it for the wiring for the lights and all the other bits on that go onto the vehicle as well, and possibly a change in colour as well. We're not sure yet, but possibly a change in colour from the white and going out. But the rest of it then is going to be new bulkhead panels, new interior, new seats and everything else. All of that will get changed completely. So if you're subscribing to us, guys, you're to get to see, along with the other builds that go on, how the Cup 200 car gets stripped down, refreshed and ready. And if you want to get yourself in a hot spot for this, because it'll be used as our demo car, if not, if you want to park yourself in the build queue and you go, oh, when it's finished I'll be really interested in that car, or come down and see it, it's the factory here, we can talk you through it and maybe you can choose your own colour. So that's it, guys. It's Cup 200 time. Awesome bit of kit. This is, I think it's had 2 firsts, 2 seconds and about, I don't know, 10 thirds. So this car has been very, very successful in the hands of Ben Britton and Matthew Booth over the last season. Terrific car, handling wise, it's immense. So yeah, can't wait for the Cup 200 Championship in 2024. It's going to be mega. So yeah, if you want to know more, you know what to do. Phone call, email, we'll hook you up. Right guys, so all I'm going to say is make sure you press that subscribe button down there, guys, because you get to see this transform from this, which was that pile of parts there, into, I'm going to say, a flourishing swan. So yeah, she's going to look pretty, plenty of lipstick on her to make her look awesome and ready for that event. So yeah, press it down there, guys. Go on, subscribe. You know you want to.